All right, here is the Fumoto SX series oil valve. This is for the 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness. These are the parts that come with it. You can install this with either a 17 millimeter socket, which is the same as the oil drain plug on the engine. And you can also use an H10 hex that you can see goes in there and acts like a little socket head. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so obviously you're going to remove the oil drain plug. And here's how it usually goes. Even though you put a little pressure on it, let it go, you're inevitably going to get oil. I usually use gloves anyways, but just to kind of prove the point here. Not ideal. So this is how you install it. You get the what they're calling the through bolt, and it's like a banjo bolt that threads into the plug threads. It comes through the center of that bolt and then out the sides and through the valve. So you can see this one kind of is offset, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a hose and I'm going to use the hose. I just wanted to get extra clearance just in case I get some underbody protection or something, but I think the straight one would have been just fine. So you're going to basically hand tighten it or get it all the way snug, and then 1/8 of a turn with a wrench. Anything more than that, you're going to be stripping parts. So since I got the angle there, I'm going to just get the right inside diameter hose, which you can see there, 5 millimeter, and just get it right into the pan. But you can see I got a lot of clearance. It doesn't come out, and it just makes it so clean and easy. You can basically do an oil change in about 15 minutes. So highly recommend. All right. Thank you guys. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.